Hi everyone. Uh, I'm getting ready to leave for the Azores in Portugal for this concert for Earth, and I wanted to share my gratitude and thanks everyone here that has been sending messages to support me and to encourage me. I'm really excited by it, quite humbled by it, but also feeling the responsibility. I'm going to have to give 7 minutes speech on live stage in front of I think 10,000 people and millions watching live, and I've been spending time here in this forest that you see behind me and around me, and asking the forest, asking the tree, what should I talk about? I'm being called because of the work we do at the sanctuary on preservation, restoration, wildlife, native plants, permaculture, the forest school for children, many things that we do to try to invite people to reconnect authentically to the forest. Deep down in my heart, I really feel that the true forest protector are the native people all around the planet that are living in deep relationship with the forest, that haven't lost what we often have lost in the Western world, this understanding of reciprocity between us and the forest. And I'm feeling a lot of emotion, in fact, to talk about the forest. Given what's happening right now in the world, forests are burning in the Amazon, in Portugal where I'm going, in Spain, in France, in all Western Europe, and all over the globe. And I'm feeling also deeply how much we take from the forest for our own consumptions. Wood and paper, plants, medicine, animals, soil, rivers. Very often the relationship we have with nature is such a one-way relationship. We go there to take something, to get something. Even if we love nature and respect forests, very often we go to the forest for ourselves. But what do we bring? What do we give back? What are we ready to sacrifice in our lifestyle, in our way of life, so we can preserve the forest? How do we truly honor this living being, this community of trees, the ancient caretakers, the native people that are every day protecting the forest, not only because they're living there, but by their way of life? And this is not a call to return to living in the forest, but more to look at how we are living today in our world that impacts so much the life of the forest. We won't be able to survive without the forest, like we won't be able to survive without water, like we won't be able to survive without pollinators for our food, like we won't be able to survive without access to good soil that regenerate over hundreds of years in the forest through the decompositions and the myceliums. So this invitation I received is a blessing to have this opportunity to talk about all this, but also made me inquire more deeply about my life and what I can do to encourage, to embody, and to heal this relationship we have with the forest. inquiring into the colonial mindset that is about taking and extraction, inquiring about trauma in our bodies, in our communities, in our country, and that pain that numb our bodies so much that we don't even feel anymore either capable of doing anything, or we're in such survival mode that we don't have the capacity to address those big questions. So if we are privileged enough to have resources, to have a good life, to have food, to have a choice of what we buy, we need to act. And we need to go further and deeper than we maybe have ever been, because the urgency is real. The time is now. So I hope you'll connect with me live at the concert. I hope to hear from you about how this is inspiring you and what message you are feeling in your heart and in your bodies when we talk about those subjects. And more importantly, I hope that this will invite more actions from you, from me, and from everyone that feels like the earth is really speaking loudly to us right now. The forests are speaking to us. Native people have been speaking to us for a very long time, and we need to act. We need to get together. We need to remember how to live in good harmony and good relationship with each other, and so we can live in good relationship with the forest, with the animals, and with all this amazing life and beauty around us. Thank you.